Today I'm reviewing this cordless robotic pool cleaner with app control. It's designed for both above-ground and in-ground pools up to 1,076 square feet, and it runs for an insane 240 minutes per charge. App-controlled operation. Control everything from your phone, start or stop a cleaning session, check battery level, or set schedules with just a few taps. Massive 240-minute runtime. This pool vacuum runs up to 4 hours on a full charge, which is more than enough for most small to mid-sized pools. Cordless and tangle-free design. No hoses, no wires. Just charge, drop it in, and let it clean, completely hassle-free. Ultra-fine dual filtration system. It features a dual-layer filter that traps everything from large leaves to superfine debris like sand, pollen, and algae dust. Designed for pools up to 1,076 square ft. This cleaner is perfect for residential in-ground and above-ground pools, and its compact size makes it ideal for smaller pools. App convenience equals total control. Being able to start the robot from my phone without going outside is a major win, especially on hot days or when I'm away from home. Extremely long battery life. 4 hours of runtime is way longer than most cordless cleaners, which usually tap out at 90 minutes. This covers your pool in one session, no problem. Effective debris capture. Even fine particles are filtered out. I've noticed a real difference in water clarity. Less cloudiness and more sparkle. Doesn't clean walls or steps. This model is floor only, no wall climbing. You'll need to manually scrub walls, or use a secondary cleaner if that's important to you. App can lag occasionally. The app works well most of the time, but I've noticed the occasional delay when connecting. Not a deal breaker, just something to be aware of. If you want an affordable, hands-off solution to daily pool maintenance, this cordless robotic cleaner is a fantastic choice. It's especially great for smaller to mid-sized pools, and that 240-minute runtime is a major advantage. Plus, app control adds a layer of convenience you don't get with most cleaners in this price range. Looking to keep your pool clean without the hassle? Check out the cordless robotic pool cleaner via the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you've tried this cleaner or want help picking one for your pool.